Hey everyone, welcome to my A1 English listening practice video. You can use this video to help practice your English listening and comprehension skills. You will listen to me read a story to you and you will answer the questions. I'll go through all the useful vocabulary and transcript with you at the end. Good luck. Alright, so let's begin. Again, you can look on the side, take a few minutes, read through the questions. Make sure you understand the questions and the meanings. Then we'll begin. So pause the video, take some time. Alright, are you ready? Today's story is about my house. My house is small, but it is clean and cozy. I have a bedroom where I sleep and relax. In my bedroom, there is a bed with a soft mattress and pillows. The floor is wood and there is a rug next to the bed. I also have a chair and a desk where I can study or use my computer. My wardrobe is next to the desk and I keep my clothes in it. I like to keep my house clean. I sweep the floor and dust the furniture. I make my bed every morning and I put my clothes in the wardrobe. Sometimes I move the furniture to make my room look new. I like my house a lot. It is small but comfortable, and I feel happy and relaxed at home. That's the end. If you need to listen again, please rewind the video and listen again and answer all the questions. Now, I'll move on to the answers. Alright, so now we're going to go through the answers. You can have a look next to me. You can read through the answers yourself and mark. Hopefully you did well. I'm going to read the questions again and then I'll read the answers after that. So question number 1, is the house big or small? The answer, the house is small. Number 2, what is the floor in the bedroom made of? The answer, the floor is made of wood. Number 3, where is the rug in the bedroom? The answer, the rug is next to the bed. Number 4, what does the person use the desk for? Number 4, the answer, the person uses the desk to study or use their computer. Number 5, what is next to the desk? The answer, the wardrobe is next to the desk. Number 6, how does the person keep their house clean? The answer, the person sweeps the floor and dusts the furniture. Number 7, when does the person make their bed? The answer, the person makes their bed every morning. Number 8, where does the person put their clothes? The answer, the person puts their clothes in the wardrobe. Number 9, why does the person move the furniture sometimes? The answer, the person moves the furniture to make the room look new. Number 10, how does the person feel about their house? The answer, the person feels happy and relaxed at home. Like I said, I hope you did well. We're going to now move on to the transcript where you will read along with me. Okay, so now we're on to the transcript. I'm going to read it. I'd like you to follow along with me. So if you are reading it, please try and read it with me. Listen to how I pronounce the words and try and follow along and see if you can get all the pronunciation right. You will see the words highlighted in a different color. I'm going to go through those words and their meanings next. Alright, so my house transcript. My house is small, but it is clean and cozy. I have a bedroom where I sleep and relax. In my bedroom, there is a bed with a soft mattress and pillows. The floor is wood, and there is a rug next to the bed. I also have a chair and a desk where I can study or use my computer. My wardrobe is next to the desk, and I keep my clothes in it. I like to keep my house clean. I sweep the floor and dust the furniture. I make my bed every morning, and I put my clothes in the wardrobe. Sometimes I move the furniture to make my room look new. I like my house a lot. It is small but comfortable, and I feel happy and relaxed at home. Now you can see the vocabulary I spoke about in front of you. The first one is a house, which is a noun, and it is a building where people live. Number 2, a bedroom, noun. A room in a house where you sleep. 3, wardrobe, noun. A large cupboard where clothes are stored. Number 4, rug, a noun. A small carpet that covers parts of the floor. 5, relax, verb, to rest and feel calm. 6, sweep, to clean the floor using a broom. 7, dust, a verb, to clean by removing dirt or dust from surfaces. Number 8, comfortable, adjective, making you feel relaxed or at ease. 9, furniture, noun, objects in a house like chairs, tables, and beds. Number 10, clean, adjective, verb, adjective, to be free from dirt or a mess, verb, to remove dirt or mess. And that's the end. That's the end of the video. Hopefully you learned something new, and hopefully you can take some of the words and the vocabularies with you. I'm doing these videos to help some of my students, but I figured that while I'm making them anyways, I might as well post them just so I can help other people, maybe. So